This is third video in continuation with the geography series of previous year questions. We have completed 2020 prelims geography. Now we have taken 2017 prelims, KAS prelims, and 15 questions were there. Today we will be seeing very few questions and more importantly, the concept surrounding it. Shifting cultivation, very important. So in agriculture, shifting cultivation is you will grow, you will take the crop here for some years. After soil losing its nutrient value, the tribal will shift to other places. Okay. You remember in India and in the world, these practices are still is going on. So in India, we call it as jhum cultivation. In Andhra Pradesh region, it is called as Podu. So like this, still among the tribal is going on. So in the world, it is asking. So let's see. Mila is, this is M for Mila and Mexico or Central America. Central America is a part of Mexico. Okay. Roca is Brazil. Ladang or Homa is Indonesia. This is very basic. And Dre is Vietnam. So we'll be seeing some of the other important countries shifting cultivation practice. See, here I have written the diagram. Remember them. Very important. Whatever, as I told, Podu. Podu is in Andhra Pradesh. Jhum, I have told, this northeastern part. Ladang, which is asked in exam, which is Indonesia and Java. Then Roca, this also I have asked in exam, is Brazil. Importantly is Milia. Milia is Mexico. This is also asked in Central America. Remember Chena. Chena is Sri Lanka. Remember country Sri Lanka looks like a chana. Chana is chickpea, like chickpea. So chana. So in that way you remember chena. And one more is Ronuco. Ronuco is Venezuela. So this is very northern part of South America. So very important. So these are the some of the shifting cultivation practices. Kindly take a note of this. This question might definitely repeat in the coming prelims or in other exams as well. So now we have completed 16 questions. The most important question is uh, this one. Uh, Look at here. We know that uh, Talchar. Talchar is located in India. Is famous for coal deposits locations they are asking. Talchar is famous for coal deposits, is located in India. That we know. See, you can easily eliminate this. So, Ispich is Australia and Sinchun. The name itself shows that this kind of Chinese name. Peninsulia is USA. Kizel is Russia. These are some of the top coal deposits reserves in the world. So we can expect such kind of questions, petroleum deposits or the mineral deposit kind of questions has been asked in exams. So 17, if D is 3, so D is 3. If you know one thing, you can mark it very easily. This is most important topic, the global climatic features. So look at, I'll be telling this thing. It's very important. Sudan climate. So global climatic features, we will see. Global savanna climate is also known as Sudan type of climate. Yes, it is correct. Savanna climate is in transitional type of climate between equatorial forest and trade wind hot deserts. Yes, it is correct. It is characterized by the alternate distinct hot rainy season and cool dry season. Yes, it is correct. The savanna type of climate is also found in southwestern part of South America and southern part of Australia, not the southern part. See, by reading question, we come to know they have asked in depth. Now, even for group C also, they are asking in-depth questions. It is northwestern part. We will just see through a diagram. We can easily understand this. Let's, a diagram we will be seeing here. Two more questions we will be dealing. See, it's very easy to, I think you might have seen this diagram, but let me uh, tell some important points. See, this is equator. Everyone knows this is equator, which divides 0 degree, right? 20 degree north and 20 degree south having the kind of savanna climate. So now regions distribution is very important. See, this is savanna, light green. The savanna in Australia it is northeast part, remember, or northern part, you can say, not the southern part. Okay, if you divide like this, it comes in northeastern part. Okay, see, savanna climate is a transition between equatorial. This region, equator, is a equatorial climate. So the green, lush green. Why lush green? Because every time rainfall. ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎವರ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವೆಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸವಾನಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಕ್ವೆಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಇದಾಯ್ತು ಗ್ರೀನು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೆಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸವಾನಾ, and this is hot desert. That's what the statement, hot desert. So ಈ ಮೂರು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಈಕ್ವಟೋರಿಯಲ್, ದೆನ್ ಸವಾನಾ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್. ಸೊ this is location is very important. See, majority and the savanna is majorly distributed in the South America, South Africa. So, and this part is Sudan part, and Sudan is very typical for this climate. That's why the name they have given Sudan type of climate. Okay. And its distribution is very important. And one more important is it is tropical, wet and dry climate. Just like monsoon, this is in seasonal in nature. What I'm trying to say is, see, similar to monsoon, it will be seasonal in nature. Why? Because, see, let's see. So, savanna climate or tropical wet and dry climate, or Sudan type anta heltivi, similar to monsoon. Monsoons are seasonal in nature. So, rain occur in summer. So, summer rain barutte. And of course, because of this rain, which is in short duration, a lot of grass will grow. And the tall grass, what we called as a veld. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ savanna also called as big game country ಅಂತಾರೆ. Because many of the herbivores depend on the grass, and if there are herbivore, they will be a carnivore, so they'll feed food chain. Lot of animals are there here, so to hunt that, there is some game these countries will organize called as hunting trophy. In that, person will kill that animal, and after paying some money, that is called as hunting trophy. That's why this Sudan or savanna or Sudan type of climate is also called as big game country. They have asked in many of these exams. So remember this. Few more questions. This is very important. Next, what I'm telling is Mediterranean type of climate. This is expected topic. So these are two type of climate. Other type of climate also very easy to remember. I'll be telling. So Mediterranean and savanna are the two important climates. This is Mediterranean. See, in Australia also, southern part, distribution is very important. This is Mediterranean, southern part of Australia, remember. And northern part, this is Mediterranean Sea. So all part of this is distributed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಟ್ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಸಮ್ಮರ್. So dry summer is in such a way that it's all desert, Sahara desert. It pick up the dust here and carry towards this region. And there is a type of rainfall because of this local wind, what we call as blood rain. That local wind, name of the local wind is called as Sirocco. The same way here in Europe, in Alps mountain, it is called as Mistral. I'm not deviating. It has been asked in commercial tax inspector. It is Chinook. Chinook is nothing but snow eater anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಇದು ಅಂಡೀಸ್, ಇದು ರಾಕೀಸ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಚಿನುಕ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I was telling Mediterranean type of climate. Distribution is very important. A part of this Peruvian or this Andes mountain ಹತ್ರನೂ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ದನ್ ಸಾರಿ ರಾಕೀಸ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡೀಸ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ದ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಟಿಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮೆಡಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಪ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಪೈನ್ ಆರ್ ಟಂಡ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು ಓದ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಎರಡು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸವಾನಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ದಿ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಮೆಡಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಟೈಪ್. ಆಲ್ಪೈನ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಟರಿ. ಆಲ್ಪೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮಿಡ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಹ್ಯೂಮಿಡಿಟಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹ್ಯೂಮಿಡ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಟೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ exam. So last two questions, 19th question regarding this geography, physical geography, fold mountains. Fold mountain, see, we have seen anticline and synclines. So Himalayas are fold mountains. So fold mountains anta idave. Residual mountain like Aravali is a residual mountain, which is formed after erosion. Residual mountains bandaga Mount Monadnock. Monadnock is nothing but a raised rock. This is a kind of a rock remains after erosion. ಸೊ ನಿಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಲಮ್ ತರ ರಾಕ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಮೊನಾಡ್ನಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ರೆಸಿಡಿಯಲ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್. ವಾಲ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಫಿಜಿ, ಮಯಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಮಾಲಯಸ್, ರಾಕೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಂಡೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ is, so they have asked some of the waterways. So this question was also asked in the previous exam regarding Indian waterways. We will be discussing all that in Karnataka ಯಾವ್ದು waterways ಇದಾವೆ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು in the next class. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, this is Volga river, this is Russia and drains into Caspian Sea. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ರಿವರ್ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ದಾನುಬೆ ರಿವರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಡ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸಿ. ಇದ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಉಕ್ರೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಉಕ್ರೈನ್ ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಅಜೋಸ್ ಸರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಿ, ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಪಿಯನ್ ಸಿ, ಅದ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆವಿಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರೈನ್, which is located in Germany. Danube waterway drains in Black Sea that we have seen. Volga water, which is in Caspian Sea. Mississippi is the Gulf of Mexico. So this is very important waterways. And for today, this much is enough. We will be continuing this session based on the response of the students. Kindly let me know which type of questions you will be looking, and also solve our free mock test and daily answer writing. And many of the students, especially for the poor student who come from the economically poor students, for them definitely it will be very golden opportunity to clear the upcoming Karnataka Administrative Services. All the best. Thank you for watching.